Hey guys, let's create basic pants block. For that, first click on the polygon tool. Let's start with the waist, crotch, then inner side seams, and close your block. Now click on edit pattern, that's right here, and now add a point. So let's add a point here. Now right click on that point, click on Z, click on a point, right click on the point, and then add dart. Now select how deep do you want your dart. Let's take 30 mm and 75 mm. Click on OK and click enter. Your basic plan block is ready. Now let's add the belt. For that, click on this line, hold shift and select the other line. You can see the total measurements. That's 113.7. So go to the polygon tool and click on rectangle. What was the measurements again? Click on Z, shift 113.7. So let's add the width as 113.7 and the height to be 25. Click on OK. Click on Z again and check this point. That's around 13.4. So click on this line, add and split. So add 13.4 to it and click enter. So there you have it. Click on A, select your entire pattern, Control C, Control R. Now let's stitch the pattern. Click on N, click on A, go to your 3D window, select your back pattern, get it back, turn it around, get it here. Now click on N, stitch your side seams. Now click on A, select your entire pattern, Control D. Get it closer. Now click on N, start stitching the crotch part, this front, this front, back crotch. Click on A. Now get the pattern pieces closer to your model. Now hit the simulation key. So there you go, you have your perfect pants. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.